Okay, this is it. It's time to get summer started at KoiPondLifestyle. We're going to get those covers put away. We're going to get the netting off the pond. We're going to get the painting finished from around the pond. We're going to get the painting finished around the filter system. We're going to get all the chairs out. We're going to start summer. Summer officially starts in this video. Let's crack on. So at last we got them covers off. What a result that is. Getting them behind the shed. Taking the netting frame off the top of the pond because I need to really get around the outsides of the pond painted, so we're going to get that done now. Right, that's looking better. I'm chuffed with that now. So, time to get out the sky pond. Now then, the sky pond this year, I'm going to move it. Well, every year I've had it so far, the new one, I've had it over the far side, over the sort of the furthest away from the seating area. So I'm going to have it this time, I'm going to move it over towards the seating area this time because I've got plans for that little section over in that corner. So I'm going to have to take this brolly down because I'm going to have to work around that for the time being. Let's crack on. Now, anybody new to the channel, you're not 100% sure what you've just seen happening here. This is just an upside down aquarium. I bought an aquarium, turn it upside down, put it into the pond with a sort of 2 inches in the water, and then just suck the air out of it. And now the fish, hopefully in a few moments, will be able to now float up into the tank and enjoy the sky pond. Us watching them, watching us, watching them. And if you want to have a go at this, I'll put the video up here somewhere at the end so you can see how I created and made this if you're thinking about doing it yourself. Yes, now, as a lot of you will be aware, the sky pond is susceptible to algae growth, and yeah, it does go green. So I'm going to get the large brolly put up, and that'll reduce it. Maybe it'll last maybe 3 or 4 weeks. I don't know. Let's get the brolly up. So that's the best way that I've found with a pond that has no cover on it, and I don't want to stick a pergola on before you start saying, well, just stick one of them big wooden pergola things on top. No, I don't want one of them. That's not how I designed it. So I just put this on, covers sort of 2/3 of the pond as well. Yeah, that'll cool. What I started doing is to encourage the fish up sort of now time when I want to start getting them feeding better is I'll get some seafood, you know, the seafood you can get, the bags of frozen seafood from the supermarkets, dead cheap, and put it in with the food, and I just mix it up a little bit, and it makes the food smell of the seafood, and they go nuts for the seafood, but you can't feed too much of it because it's really, really high in protein. So I just sort of make the rest of the food smell like it, and then I'll feed a bit now by hand because the fish have been really good today, and then the rest of it will sit in this tub smelling of fish. Right, I thought while I'm bowling, I might as well get the filter floss changed and get the UV bulb changed, because I'm on a roll at the moment, so they're all nice and happy in there, chomping away and playing in the sky pond. So I'm going to change the filter floss because it's looking a bit crappy at the moment, and then get this bulb changed in the UV. Cool. So once I've changed the filter floss, dead easy, that's cheap as chips, I said before. So the UV dead easy, literally just popping one end out, pop the other end off, slide the bulb out, get the other bulb, slide the other bulb back in, plug it back in again. It's as simple as that. That's literally taken, well, a couple of minutes to do. And if you want to know how to take these UVs off and replace them, I've done a video somewhere with that. If you have a look in go have a look in my videos, there's one in there somewhere, how to take your UVs off and replace the bulb, and also check the quartz glass, because sometimes inside they've got a quartz glass sleeve, and sometimes that gets a bit mucky, especially if you've got your UV, your ultraviolet before your filters. So there it is, at last, summer at KoiPondLifestyle. Let's hope we have plenty more of these days to come for the summer. Plenty of growth on the fish. Hopefully all our fish get nice and big and healthy, and we all have a great summer. So thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe, share, ding the bell for notifications, click the like. Come on, you gotta like this one. Surely to God. Thanks very much for watching KoiPondLifestyle.